Ah, you're there. What do you want? You want to see something inside? Sometimes when you're driving, you think, oh, I'm going to need this in a few minutes' time. For an example, I might need some hot water, or I want to heat up something for supper. And I also have my camping light switch here as well, also a switch at the back, plus my LED light bar, which is the new Laser Elite, driving lights, and my daylights, which just remain on. I use this GME XRS Connect UHF radio. We're very fortunate in Australia in that the UHF band, the Citizen band, radios can be as powerful as 5 watts. In most of the rest of the world, it's half a watt. So these are good for a good 4 to 5 kilometer range. And the GMAs are outstanding radios. Very, very good quality.